Hey, I'm Sarah, and I was just sent this 5-foot fig tree. Now this is how it came packaged, which is really nice because they've actually just put coverings over all of it just to protect all these really pretty leaves. Now they are artificial, which is fantastic, which means you can bend them around, move them how you want them to be. And the way that they've packaged it's really nice because they've actually numbered them so you know which one goes on first and second, and they just simply click right into place to where you will then put it on here. So you've got your two on here there. We're going to add the two right here, and then we will add our number one up on top. And like I said, it's nice they do have the numbers that will then allow you to put it all on in place. Said here's your little numbers right here, and then at the top we're going to have a number one, and we are then going to place number one right in there. Then we will go through and simply fluff all of this out and have it as a nice decoration. So I'm going to fluff it out and then we're going to check it out. All right, so I've maneuvered these around a little bit just to make it look realistic. Like I love how they've done all this. Like the leaves have all this texture to it where you can see all of the different veins in here and everything. And the trunk is done really well. You actually have like where you've maybe cut the branches off a little bit here. The texture on the trunk looks really good. It gets thicker as it goes down. I mean, it just adds a lot to it. This is a nice vase, and it's a weighted vase, so it's not going to just fall over. You've got this little dirt down here, but they also give you this moss that you can simply just put on here and make it look, I mean, like it's got a little greenery that it's growing in there, just to add to the beauty of this fig tree. This would make a beautiful, beautiful, beautiful area. If you want to sit it next to a couch, corner, I mean, all around, this is a beautiful tree that you don't have to water, and all you got to do is just set it up and you are done.